I have this phrasal verb, which is come across. Have you ever seen
Yes.
phrasal verb before? Come across.
Yes.
You have? What does it mean?
Yeah. Encounter.
Okay, it means like to find and perhaps by accident, not on purpose.
Yes.
Okay, can you see the example sentence that I have up here?
Yes, sir.
Do you see it?
Yes, sir.
Oh, can you read it, please?
Okay, sir. He came across an interesting article online about a space exploration.
Okay. So does that sentence make sense? That means he found it by accident. He wasn't looking for it. It just appeared.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Uh, those first three words, he came across. What do you suppose he came across? He came across. Which word do you think we should emphasize in those first three words?
Across.
Okay, he came across. Yeah, that would be okay. And which syllable should we emphasize? Across.
Uh, across. Ross.
Cross. Cross.
Across.
Across. Across. What about the next two words? An interesting article. The next three words. An interesting article. What do you suppose?
An interesting.
Mhm.
An interesting article.
Where's the accent in that word? Interesting.
Interesting. Interesting.
Inter-
Interesting.
or you could say interesting. Interesting. Interesting.
Interesting.
Not
Oh, interesting.
not interesting. Interesting.
Interesting.
Yeah, so it's the
Interesting.
first syllable that you want to emphasize.
And generally, I do stays on second. Yeah, generally, but I am wrong.
Yeah, it should be the first one. Interesting. Interesting.
Yeah, interesting,
Yeah,
interesting, interesting. Yeah.
that sounds better if you do it like that.
Yes,
How about
yes.
in the word article? Article. Article. That's three syllables. Where is the accent? Article.
Article, article as the first.
The first one? Okay.
Yes.
Uh, all right. So we have came across an interesting article.
He came across an interesting article.
Okay. And now the next word, online. Online. Where's the accent? Online. Line.
Online,
Online.
online line.
I think it's both. It's weird because if you say it just on the first word, online, that doesn't make it, that sounds horrible.
Online.
If you say just the second syllable, online,
Yeah,
again, that doesn't really.
online.
You have to say online. It seems like both syllables are accented.
Yes. Okay. So online,
Hmm.
online.
But if we want to keep our big, small, big, small, big, small rhythm, which one do you think we should try to emphasize? On or line?
Online,
Which one?
online, on, online,
I came across an interesting article online. Online.
online, online,
Online. This is hard. This is a hard one. He came across an interesting article on
online, on,
online. Yeah, okay. I think we could do that. We can make that big.
yeah, on.
Okay. Online about. Okay. And this word about, do you think that that's a big word or a small word here?
About, about. Is about is taking long time.
That's true.
There is also
This phrase, do you think it's a word that we should make big or try to make it small?
online about space,
How should
online about
in our phrase, should it be big or small?
is a small,
Okay, so that would be online about. Online about.
online about.
He came across an interesting article online about.
He came across an interesting article online about
Okay, and this is not came across, but came across. Ma, came across.
came a- came a- ca- he came across
He came across.
an interesting article.
hmm
Mm, He
Online.
he
Go ahead. Sorry.
okay, sir. So he came across an interesting article online about.
Okay. And now the final part, space exploration.
Yes.
Which words or which parts of words do you think should be big in this final part?
Yes. Space. The
Space.
space.
Okay, space. We'll make that
Yes.
big. All right. And how about exploration? Should anything be big in there, do you think?
Ex exploration.
Ex-
Pull. Explore.
Explore. Well, you see, this is a big word. Let's see how many syllables. Exploration. It's four syllables, and
Yes.
if you have a word with more than three syllables, probably there would be two potential accents. Space.
Okay.
So when you say that word exploration, which syllables sound big to you?
Exploration. Ray. Are.
Ray, ray, yeah. Any other syllables?
Ex, ex, exploration.
Explo- exploration, exploration,
X.
X.
eh,
Okay.
Yes.
Now
Exploration.
so I think it depends which one you would focus on, depending on the big small rhythm. Do you think that X would be a good thing to focus on, or ray? Since we have a choice, which one would fit big small rhythm?
Ray is okay.
Yeah,
Exploration.
yeah. I mean, sometimes it could be X, but I don't think so. Space exploration, that would sound weird, but space exploration, that sounds okay
Yeah.
because that
Yes.
keeps the big small rhythm. Okay. So we have,
Yes.
he
Yes.
came across an interesting article online about space exploration.
He came across an interesting article online about a space exploration.
Okay. How many phrases do you think we could divide this sentence into?
So he came in across an interesting article online. Ec- Okay, so he came across an interesting article
Okay.
online.
All right. So that's one phrase, finishing it online.
Yes,
Okay. And
and about yes,
mhm. So two
yes,
phrases.
two phrases.
Okay. And how do you want to sound? Do you want to sound friendly and nice or serious?
So interesting. Sorry, friendly
Friendly? Okay. So how will you pronounce the final word in this phrase?
is a high tone.
But also it's you'd start it high, but you have to finish it kind of low because it's the end of a phrase.
Yes,
So
yes.
online, online,
It's online. It's
on,
online.
online.
Online. Online
How will you start it? How will you start this phrase?
is a high tone.
High tone, because you normally will start a phrase with a high tone. He came across an interesting
Yes.
article online.
He came across an interesting article online.
Okay. And how do you want the second phrase to sound? Do you want it to sound serious or nice and friendly?
So, yeah, the friendly.
Friendly? Okay. So how will you pronounce that final word, exploration?
So, ray is high and sun is low.
Okay. So how will you say that then? How will that sound?
So, the high tone
Hmm.
about space exploration,
Ration, ration, ration.
ration, ration.
And how will you pronounce space? Would that be high?
Yes, space,
Space exploration.
space exploration.
hmm He came across an interesting article online about space exploration.
He came across an interesting article online about space exploration.
Can you make a what he come across online question?
What did he came
What,
across
hmm? What did he came across?
about what did he came across
You've made a mistake. Can you try
on
your mistake?
what did he come across
hmm
online about space exploration?
And forget about the about space. Just what did he come across online?
Okay. What did he come across online?
So what is the most? What do you think is the most important word in that question?
What is
What?
what?
Okay. How would what plus did plus he? How would that sound?
So what did what did
What did he?
what did
What did he? What did he? What did he?
what did he what did he
What?
what did he
What did he?
what did he what did he
What? What did he come across online?
what did he come across online?
Okay. Try again.
What did he come across online?
What did he come across online? Okay. What is the answer?
He came across an interesting article online.
He came across an interesting article online about space
He
exploration.
came across okay, sir. He came across an interesting article online about space exploration.
Okay. All right. Well, I think that we have to finish here for today. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I have to check my schedule, but I'll probably be back tomorrow morning to do Gone with the Wind if you're interested in joining me.
Yes, sir. Yes.
All right. Well, thank you everybody for your questions, your comments. Thank you for participating. If you'd like to practice also, there's a link to the Discord server and you can join and practice with me live as well if you want to. All right. So we'll see everyone tomorrow. Thank you very much
Thank you, sir.
and
Bye bye.